One of India's most loved beauty retailers, Nykaa, will be opening its initial public offering IPO to subscribers tomorrow. The brand, launched in 2012, quickly became a go-to shopping platform catering products ranging from makeup to clothes for women. Behind all the success is the veteran investment banker turned entrepreneur Falguni Nair, who founded Nykaa just months before she turned 50. As a former investment banker, she helped take many Indian companies to the public markets, and now she is all ready to take her own company to new heights. The company going public will comfortably place Nair in the rare club of billionaire women in India. She will see her net worth rise to nearly $3.8 billion post IPO, but she became a billionaire in a pre-IPO private placement in June. So how did an investment banker launch a brand that could be seen as India's very own Sephora? Long before launching Nykaa, Nair was a force to reckon with in the business world. She spent more than 18 years at Kotak Mahindra Capital Co. But she always saw herself as an entrepreneur first, and she quit her job right as she was turning 50 at the peak of her career. There were many who did not believe an e-commerce venture for beauty products could work when she left her job and decided to start Nykaa in 2012. But she seized the opportunity of an upcoming online market that was going to boom in the coming years. Rest, you can say, is history. The company's revenue grew rapidly. Nykaa became the first platform to bring brands like MAC to India online for the first time. In 2015, Nair decided to launch her own brand of cosmetics, starting from nail enamels and then expanding to kajals, lotions and many other items. In 2017, along with the website and online app, Nykaa had just 4 offline stores. Now it has over 70 brick-and-mortar stores all across the country, selling over 200,000 products across 2,000 brands. Amid the pandemic-induced lockdown, consumers went on an online shopping binge, ordering everything from lipsticks to mascaras, giving a huge boost to the company. This fiscal year, the company revenues were valued at $330 million or 24.5 billion rupees, registering a profit of $8 million. Now her share sale will value the company at as much as $7.1 billion. Nykaa has set a price range of 1,085 rupees to 1,125 rupees a share. The share sale will open on October 28 and close on November 1. 6 senior executives at Nykaa stand to make a total of more than 850 crore rupees through their shareholding. Today, Nair is a role model in the business world and an inspiration for many, showing women could forge their own path no matter the age or expectations of the society. She has showed that if you want, you can choose the role you want to play in life and even take the lead just like a Nykaa. A Federal Report.